Good morning, traders. Today is the 15th of March 2023. We just had another beautiful long trade on Euro Yen. Technically, all the yen against the yen, we were bullish. And we had a beautiful dollar yen and Euro yen and pound yen. All of the trades, we had such a nice, beautiful trade. Let me explain to you how I basically help my traders to analyze the market and squeeze a nice decent profit in this morning. So if you look at the 4 hour chart, this is what I explained to my trader. If you look at here, the price nicely broken. We haven't seen any, even though we see some sort of rejection, but we haven't seen any bullish bearish candle. So that's a good sign. Price nicely broken, and we were expecting a pullback long trade here after this breakout in intraday. And the target around this level, which is expecting a first target, which is nicely hit. And let me explain to you how I analyze the market. So we've been long here. You can see it based on this analysis, breakout. We had this beautiful breakout and pullback. After banking this profit, keep pushing my trader, look for another pullback. So you can see here based on this analysis, just before London Open, we have this beautiful expected here another pullback based on the 4 hour. Bias was long. So and if you look at here exactly based on this analysis, we have beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target based on the 4 hour major resistance level, that's what explained my trader. You can see here. That's what explained my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit or at least move your stop loss at the break even. Few of traders still holding it long as the price stay above the orange EMF. You can see here, guys. Hope you enjoyed this analysis, but if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing trading community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.